So tonight we were working on the engine head for the 6-cylinder that we're rebuilding. It's this one right here. We're going through the ports, going through the bowls, the combustion chambers and everything. And I thought this was kind of cool enough that I'd make a little video about it. Don't want to make it too long this time. But this pile of stuff right there, that came out of the engine head. More specifically, out of the intake port on the engine head. So it's this little pile of black. It looks like carbon, but it was still on the intake side of the bowl. So that means this stuff's flammable. So we're gonna get my lighter here and we're gonna start it on fire. But this is essentially underburned gasoline mixed with carbon, I think. But I mean, that's fully flammable material there. Crazy, right? But that was not on the exhaust side. If it was on the exhaust side, it might not be flammable, but it might still be, because it does, the air fuel mixture does breathe out and doesn't all combust, I'm sure. But this being on the intake side, it's kind of crazy in my opinion. Get a ugh. Stuff stinks. It just starts right up. Those intake ports were crusted, like at least an 1/8 inch, 3/16 of an inch, just crusted with this stuff. It's probably not very good for the environment, so I'm gonna extinguish it here. Gross. That's a good like half cup worth of just gunk that was in that engine head. So glad I got it cleaned out. We're gonna be assembling the engine head soon. Makes me real excited. The gasket kit just arrived today. Hooray!